Binabati ko lahat mga kaipon ko, mga squammy ko, yung mga chismoso sa amin, mga taga-angono, Rizal! Yeah!
Dala, dito muna kayo. Maintindihan ba kasi sinasabi? Oh, yan. Lagi ka nga ano, no? Ba't ka masigaw na sigaw?
Wala na akong boses eh.
Ba't ka sumisigaw? Huwag kang sumigaw. Bumati ka ng formal ka.
Binabati ko kayong lahat, mga kahipon ko dyan. Parang walang energy. Pag
Sige.
na, magandang hipon sa inyo lahat!
Saya ka naman. Nandito ka sa...
Yes, masaya ako. Pagtangal ko na dito, Will. Huwag mo akong tatanggalin, ha?
Akin na yung mic. Ito nga si Chinkinini. Oh, talo ka nito. Dito ka. Okay. Ano ba nasabi mo dito?
Magaling. Pero mas magaling ako.
Nakakagat ako.
Ito. Oto, challenge. Inglesan nga kayong dalawa.
Okay,
Kunyari,
oh my gosh.
we have a skit. Drama.
Okay, I can act.
Okay, let's say,
All act.
English, okay? If ever, wanna sit down first?
What's the situation?
Okay, the situation is, you saw a good-looking guy. Oh,
Okay, go.
your friends. And then,
Friends.
okay, you want this good-looking guy.
Like you.
Ay nga. Oh yeah, I'm walking, okay.
You're walking. Uy!
Oh my gosh! You see the guy?
Yes, it's the good guy.
How did you know he's a good guy?
Because he's have more money. if he don't have money, he hold up us. So he's a good guy. He don't hold up us.
What are you saying? I don't know.
You don't English? Oh my God! I don't understand her.
Why?
He's so my...
He's...
Kala ko lalaki.
Wow, nakakaya naman sa mukha mo,
Suntukan na lang ano.
Sige, huwag sabihin matangkad ka.
Bakang kita sa labas mamaya. Andito yung mga top at mga taga-amono.
O bakit? May taga-Muntinlupa din dito.
Matatanda na yan eh. Ito, bata pa eh.
Ay, maraming bata. Ay, may bata din.
Tatlo lang. Amin, 15. Ano? You speak English. Don't ask me at Tagalog.
Okay.
Ask me English. And I ask you too.
Where are you from, Hipon?
Wow! Coming from you.
Oh yes, because I'm beautiful and you're ugly.
Wow! You're not tipon. You're lollipop.
It's okay, Hipon, ha? At least beautiful face. You.
Oh, if you have a boyfriend, you walking in the street, your katawan is nothing. Only your face is holding.
Oh, but if you have a boyfriend, you have a boyfriend. Only,
But I'm hipon. If my boyfriend's walking, I have a, supot. Then that's called holding hands, not face hands. Diba? That's sweet holding hands. Without
okay.
face. But it's okay. Holding hands pa din, di ba?
how
ano
you
ba lang sa mukha?
how you will kiss if you don't have face?
Oh, wow! He kissed me in oh, wow. He kissed me in the neck. He kissed me on all the way I want. So what's the point?
Acting, go!
Acting.
Okay. Let's reverse the story.
Go.
Okay. You make ligaw-ligaw to me.
Okay.
Ah.
You exit. I exit eh. Dito ako magmumula. I go there.
English.
I go there, then I walk in the street. Then suddenly, I love you. Can you put me up? Will?
Sure.
Ay, can you put me up, sir?
I'll put you up.
Oh
No,
my
wait.
gosh.
I'm sorry. Oh, put.
Can I ask your name?
What?
Can I ask your
My
name?
name is, Johnny.
Oh my gosh, Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lie, no, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha ha ha. Johnny, where are you from?
There.
There? Where's there? Can I go there?
No, not there. Here.
Here? Can I with you?
What?
Can I with you? With me?
With you, with me, what?
Yes.
What is your motto in life?
I have motto in life. I don't have baon, but I will thinking about that. My motto in life is